Financial markets were generally weighed down by the escalating situation in Cyprus. The Dow Jones dropped 90 points overnight and was followed by a broad-based weakness in Asian equities. The euro is relatively steady and is just hovering at around the 1.29 level against the dollar. Nonetheless, it remains vulnerable to a deeper sell-off against all other major currencies. The European Central Bank has issued a March 25th deadline for Cyprus to complete the negotiations with its international lenders on the bailout deal, or it would cut off the emergency liquidity assistance to its major banks. Cypriot MPs are expected to meet to discuss a Plan B as soon as possible. The Cypriot Central Bank president said that the draft of the new bill related to reorganisation and recovery of the Cypriot banking system, and this consolidation process will prevent the risk of bank failures and protect it in their entirety all insured deposits up to the amount of 100,000. Also, it's reported that part of the package will include the setting up of a national solidarity fund, which nationalises provident funds with bonds issued against future natural gas revenues. The Eurogroup chairman and Dutch finance minister said in a statement that the Eurogroup stands ready to discuss with the Cypriot authorities a new draft proposal, which it expects the Cyprus authorities to present as rapidly as possible. And he said that the Eurogroup would subsequently, on the basis of a troika analysis that needs to be undertaken, be prepared to continue negotiations on an adjustment programme. S&P lowered Cyprus's rating to CCC, down from CCC+ with a negative outlook, and said that given that the assets of Cyprus's indigenous banking sector are more than 5 times GDP, they consider Cyprus's credit standing to be inextricably linked to its banking system. And in the absence of a credible alternative source of capital and fiscal financing, the risk of a disorderly credit event is rising. The rating agency expects over the next few days Cyprus and the Eurogroup or other partners to reach an alternative agreement. Elsewhere, the Canadian dollar was strong overnight as Finance Minister Flaherty said that he would eliminate the country's deficit before the next election in 2015. He projected that Canada will turn into surplus of 800 million Canadian dollars in the fiscal years of 2015 and 2016. Spending growth is expected to average 2.1% over the next 5 years, much lower than the average 4.9% since 2007. Revenue growth is expected to be 4.6% per year, more than double the current pace. In other news, new Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda pledged again yesterday that he would do whatever he can to achieve the 2% price target at the earliest time possible. Swiss National Bank Governor Board member Moser said that the share of SMB in international foreign exchange volume never exceeded 1.5% on any day, and thus there was no significant impact that would distort markets. The Philly Fed Manufacturing Index in the US and retail sales in the UK are the major market movers today, with any major developments in the ongoing situation in Cyprus. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, please join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.